In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the menu bar size on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top left, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel now, you want to select Accessibility, and then on the right side underneath Vision, select where it says Display. And then scrolling down underneath text where it says menu bar size, if you want to make it larger, you can select large. Otherwise, you can select default, and you can see how it changes up at the top. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.